Hi, I'm James Crossan. This year at NAB, TVU is showcasing TVU MediaHub, which is our live routing production tool in the cloud. So it's infinitely scalable, anything in, anything out. It can be deployed in the cloud or on-premise or hybrid. So it's really kind of a one-stop shop for all of your routing needs. It's able to take in any type of input and send it to any type of output. And all of this is based on an open API that's easily integratable. So this is a UI that we've created that I'll go into in a second, but also we have a full API for all of this that can be used to create your own workflows and your own UIs as well. So recently what we've added are a lot of new features to enhance the ease of use to adding new sources and also managing your outputs as well. So on the source side, we can support any type of input protocol, HLS, YouTube, RTMP, SRT, Facebook, TikTok. All of those can just be easily grabbed, their URL, and entered here, and then we can parse that URL and make it available as a source on the left-hand side here. We also have support for all of our TVU devices, TVU One, TVU Grid, TVU Anywhere. Those can be added in the source panel as well. And also some others that we've added recently. So some server mode for RTMP push, SRT listener. When you need to send your feed to us, we can provide a server for you to do that. Also NDI, and finally Zoom, which is really interesting. So you can actually bring a participant from your Zoom call in as a source inside of TVU MediaHub. And so that's a really neat one as well. We also have the ability to bring in your SDI input, and you don't even need to have TVU hardware to bring in that input. Basically, you can deploy a lightweight agent on your own machine, and we can recognize the SDI BNCs on the capture card inside the machine and bring any of those SDI inputs into your panel as well. So any of these can basically be displayed here on the left-hand side as sources. And then what's really neat here is that it's as easy as dragging and dropping to route your signal. So it couldn't be any easier. The user doesn't have to worry about where they're sending or anything like that, because what we've got here on the output side is projects. So these are a combination of multiple destinations, each that can have their own encoding profile with their different encoding parameters, bit rate, resolution, whatever it is. And all of that's managed inside of this project. So again, back to the ease of use, it's simple drag and drop to get your source to your output. Couldn't be any easier than that. And then on the output side, like I was saying, same for the input side, we have lots of different protocols supported, so a huge list of different protocols that we've added here. And all of these are kind of seamlessly supported, so it doesn't matter the input that you have on the input side, we can automatically transcode that, scale it for you, and handle all of that and deliver it in the format that you need for your destination seamlessly. We also have the ability to provide this service to you on demand through our cloud, or we can help you deploy it in your own facility, in your own cloud, with just that simple lightweight agent that can be deployed anywhere. So that really enables a lot of flexibility. So you can have maybe one of your workflows kind of running on premise on a regular basis, but then maybe you need over the weekend or on an ad hoc basis, you need to add a whole bunch of resource for one day and then tear it down. All that capability is available to you on demand and all within the same interface. So nothing changes for the user, but the scalability is infinite. So it's a really powerful tool in that regard. So that's TVU MediaHub. And then TVU Search, a few things that we've added that are pretty interesting here. We've added a summarization feature inside of the recordings that will basically automatically take the speech-to-text transcription that you have. Hang on one second, let me find one. So it'll take all the speech-to-text transcription metadata that you have, all the facial recognition metadata, and then send that to a GPT Gen AI service that can summarize all that metadata and provide you with a kind of a quick summary of all the different chapters that were covered, with the content about it. So you can easily scroll through here and get a sense of what topics were covered in a specific speech. Rather than having to read through the entire speech transcript, you can just say, oh, I'm looking for this specific content here, or I can scroll down and just read this quick summary, and it brings you to exactly when that occurred in the video. So it really helps kind of, if you're looking through something and you just need to find out when the topic you're interested in, you can just click on it and it takes you right to it. And this is also enabled for just recordings as a whole, so you can basically set up your recordings, have them running, and then we can summarize your content for you. So you don't have to worry, oh, was I recording this? You can just kind of rest easy that basically we have it taken care of, and you can keep what you want and dump what you don't need, but all of that will be easily segmented automatically for you, so it's easy to find. So anyway, that's just a quick overview of everything we're introducing here at NAB. Thank you.